everyone, today we are going to make a fancy mobile phone holder. We'll first begin with the inner cardboard of a toilet paper roll. Taking a pen, we'll slightly mark out about 1/3 of the roll and further down at approximately half, we'll make a slight U from both sides of our slant line. Using our scissors, we'll cut along these lines. Using our spare leftover wrapping paper, we'll now paste it on the tissue paper roll. Now, using our waste or spare envelope or any other card paper that we may have, we'll draw a circle of the size of the base of our phone stand and cut it out. We'll now firmly take the stand that has hopefully dried up and place strong glue on the edges. To make our phone stand look a little more nicer and more presentable, I'm going to use some leftover piece of cloth or lace that I have. What we're going to do is, I'm going to place some glue and paste this halfway through the inside so that the stand looks a lot nicer. To make this more decorative, what you can do is, you can use old pieces of string, ribbon, rakhis or friendship bands and paste them along the circumference of the phone stand. Your phone stand has now dried up fairly well and looks quite pretty. Go ahead, put your phone in and enjoy watching.